From the Norse winds came the settlers bold. In the 8th century, stories told. To the Isle of Man with Viking sail, bringing laws that would never fail. Thingvållr echoes through the years, meeting place that still endears. Parliament field where voices ring, ancient songs that freedom sing. Tynwald Hill where history stands, 1,000 years in these green lands. Oldest parliament, an unbroken chain, through storm and sun, through joy and pain. On Midsummer's day we gather still, ancient voices on Tynwald Hill. From the Þingvellir's Icelandic stone to Thingvållr where the seeds were sown, the same Norse root, the same proud name, democracy's eternal flame. Weald and her, the field of law, where common folk could speak their all. No other place can make the claim of unbroken democratic fame. Tynwald Hill, where history stands, 1,000 years in these green lands. Oldest parliament, an unbroken chain, through storm and sun, through joy and pain. On Midsummer's day we gather still, ancient voices on Tynwald Hill. By the echo of the horn, beneath the sky so wide, the wisdom of the ages gathers by our side. With each decree, the past may flow, and in that timeless spirit, together we shall grow. Tynwald Hill, where history stands, 1,000 years in these green lands. Oldest parliament, an unbroken chain, through storm and sun, through joy and pain. On Midsummer's day we gather still, ancient voices on Tynwald Hill. So here we stand, with hearts of fire, for freedom and justice we always aspire. On this sacred ground our spirits reflect, Tynwald Hill forever we protect.